Hi guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel. It's all about travel and photography, and in this video I'm gonna share a few mistakes that I used to commit and still do in photography, which you should definitely avoid. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Make sure your batteries are fully charged and you have enough space in your memory cards. Once I went to Nehru Science Center and forgot to charge my phone. By the time I reached there, my battery became zero. I really regret it. I could have made such a good video, but I missed it. Avoid placing your subjects at the center of the frame. Follow the rule of thirds. Divide your frame in a 3x3 grid and place your subjects at these lines or the intersecting points of these lines. Now there's a mistake that I tend to commit sometimes. I tend to cut my subjects at the end of my frames. This has ruined some of my best photographs. For example, this is a very good photograph that I clicked until someone pointed out, "Why have you cut off feet?" I have no answer. Previously, I used to click all my images like this at by hand level. Don't do that. Try to click pictures from your subject's eye level. Also experiment with different angles, high angle, low angle, side profile, 3/4. Also try to play with distance. Take wide shots, long shots, mid shots, close-ups, and keep experimenting. Suppose if I would go in broad daylight for photography, I would sometimes forget to change my settings as per the lighting. After clicking a few shots, I would realize, hey, why are my images so bright? That is because last time I was shooting in the night and my ISO was high. So the high ISO has ruined all my images clicked in broad daylight. So it is always compulsory to check your settings before you start clicking. This has happened with me many times. I see a beautiful bird. Oh my god, click, fast or it will fly away, click. The bird flies away. I review my photos. All of them are useless. If you see something worth photographing, take a second, look at it, see how you can photograph it in the best way you can, and then press the shutter button. If it comes out well, great. If not, you can always try again. Sometimes we take so many photographs that we ourselves find it difficult to wade through the millions of photographs to select the gems. I previously used to take scores of photographs of the same subject in the same way. Now I take 2 or 3 images in the same way, and then I change my framing or angle and try again. If all your photos are not good enough, you are not close enough. If you have the option, try to go closer to the subject. Now this used to happen to me with macro photography. I used to feel very scared to approach the bugs and lizards so up close. Also, I used to feel uncomfortable to kneel down in the mud and stoop so low to take eye level shots. Now I'm kind of coming out of this fear and trying to go a bit closer. Previously, I used to manipulate my images a lot. This would make them oversaturated, overexposed and unnatural. So keep it simple. A little bit of post-processing is enough to enhance your images. Previously, when I used to go to any place for photography, I used to do zero amount of research on that place, my camera, photography, the subjects I will find there, etc. etc. I also used to use the auto mode too much. Now, before going to any place, I try to find the photogenic spots I will find there, the subjects I will find there. Will I find birds, butterflies, insects, flowers? I also try to look up a few references of good images on Google or Instagram for inspiration. Sometimes we may feel so tired to carry that heavy camera all around with us. I luckily so far don't fall into that category. I love taking my camera whenever and wherever I can. But it can be a lot of pain for my back and shoulders to carry that heavy load. Plus, you may have to spend hours at a place photographing it. My friends get really impatient. We don't want to be a part of your vlog. How many photographs are you going to take? It's getting late, etc. etc. But no pain, no gain. Mistakes are a part of photography. That's how we all learn. What's important is to learn from our mistakes and avoid repeating them. So if you guys found this video to be helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on the mistakes you commit in photography and how you tackle them. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more such photography related videos. Bye.